Okay, so what we have is the new Cloud Breakout. This is the new version of the system. It talks, as you can see. The scanner down at the bottom gives you a signal on price, depending on what time frame is watching. We have it set for the 1 minute all the way up to the monthly. And as you can see, the sell trade was triggered right here. And as the sell trade triggered, we took the drop. And this is on the 4 hour. So this is one entry. This is how we got 147 pips.
TGO Cloud TK Sell, $Yen 30-minute chart.
And that's it. It's that simple. You know what I'm saying? So it's not really much to it. But yeah, we were able to enter here when the signal came out of the cloud for the drop. And once that signal came out of the cloud, we took the trade, and we've been dropping ever since.
We have a possible change to bullish
TGO Cloud
momentum.
TK buy.
Look for a move
Kiwi
to the
dollar
upside on
5-minute
Euro
chart.
dollar 1 minute chart.
And we're just gonna do a little quick glance over. We got the GBP Chef trade that's doing 64. As you can see, same thing. The candle came out of the cloud. It closed right here because we set it to price close. You can change the settings, by the way. Check out the MT4 page and you can see how all of that works. There's a video explaining the settings for this robot. But as you can see, once the price came out of the cloud and the candle closed, because that's what we had it set to, the sell triggered and we're dropping. So now we're at the low of the day. So I'm just going to secure partials because I don't know if price is going to actually break that. So what I'm going to do is put it behind the last candle. And we're going to leave it right there. Okay, so price is not letting me move the stop loss for some reason. Very odd. Okay, that's kind of odd. Anyway, I digress. So we're in these two trades right now, and that's it. So I just figured I'd give you guys a quick little look at the robot. This is the new breaking Cloud Breakout. Like I said, this was the first system I learned how to master. You definitely will get some patience from it. So I'm in two trades at 200 pips. I figured I'd break it down. I take it light with the breakout because with the breakout, it's about catching breakouts, and you shouldn't be trying to go crazy and hog tie, breakouts. So that's it. The video shouldn't be too long. I'm just explaining. So pretty much just to give you a quick rundown, this is the new indicator. You can use the old one, but it's not going to talk if you use the old one. So we're using this one, and it talks. So whatever price is confirmed, if you see a TK cross, the robot's going to talk and tell you that. If you see price or hit a buy or sell above the cloud, that's the normal standard. It's going to tell you that it sees that and it's set. It's going to take the trade. It's going to let you know it took the trade. And if we have price going above or below the KJ, it's going to let you know. So you can determine based off the analysis and the robot whether you want to enter the trade. It's real simple. It sounds complicated, but it's simple. So as you can see, we had a breakout here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All of these breakouts hit the high of the day. So if you played the high and low of the day, the next level of resistance, supply and demand, this was clearly a supply area. And when price hit the supply area, it kept dropping. So that's clearly supply. And if you do a breakout and you go to the supply level, it's simple rudimentary trading at that point. I mean, if you want me to give you some kind of help on learning this, it's easy. We do have the indicator for supply and demand on the site. It's pretty cheap. It's very affordable. It's just there pretty much to help you learn supply and demand, support and resistance. But as you can see on the breakout, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 successful, 7, 8. We had 8 successful signals over the course of a couple of days. Let's put the period separator up, and as you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So it seems like every day you got one signal except for this day because price was still out of the cloud. And pretty much every other day you got a signal for the last week of a buy, and the buys were all valid. And this is on the 4 hours, so it takes patience, but it's worth it. And that's it. I just want to give you a breakdown on the new cloud. We tightened the cloud so the entries are a little bit more precise. The signals are definitely based around the cloud. Nothing changed really there. We cleaned up the indicator a little, and we added this new buy sell signal scanner along with the voice command. So there's about 2,000 voice commands for this robot. So it will definitely let you know when the price is doing something, so you don't have to sit in front of your chart all day. That's the purpose of the talking robot. It's going to talk to you and tell you when it sees something, so you don't have to sit there waiting for those moves. If any kind of price movement happens, this robot's going to tell you based off the cloud and the TKSIN, the KETASIN, and it's going to let you know. So that's it. No need to make the video longer than it already is. You guys let me know what you think, but this is definitely the new cloud breakout, the TGO cloud breakout, and that's it.